We are now taking a look at converting a decimal to a fraction, the basic problem type. So our example here, our problem type is to convert 0.055 to a fraction. The first step is going to be to drop that decimal. And since the decimal is between the zeros there, it has a 0 in front of it, 0 behind it, if we drop the decimal, we would just be left with the 55. And then since we're writing it as a fraction, we need to figure out what the denominator is going to be. And our guide to figuring that out is the last digit. That place value tells us what the denominator is going to be. So for example, in this case, that last digit is the second 5, and it is in the tenths, hundredths, thousandths place. Since it's in the thousandths, our denominator is 1,000. But like usual, whenever we're working with fractions, we always want to reduce those fractions. And when we look at this one, 55 divided by 1,000, they are both divisible by 5. And since they're both divisible by 5, then we should do that. We should divide them both by 5, giving us in the top 11. And in the bottom, 1,000 divided by 5 is 200. That will not reduce any further, so we have our answer. We drop the decimal in the numerator. We use the place value to figure out what the denominator is going to be, and then reduce the fraction.